Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start with power and signal. Check the monitor LED and confirm the outlet is live. If the LED is off, swap the power cable and avoid a faulty strip. Once the monitor has power, disconnect all peripherals and use a single known good video cable to your computer. Make sure the cable latches are secure, and if available, try the monitor on another PC. You want to rule out power and basic signal faults before digging deeper into settings or hardware. Once power is confirmed, focus on the video path and settings. You should test every port and cable type, HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI, because one interface can fail while others work. Boot the PC into BIOS or safe mode so you can tell if the system outputs a picture independent of the OS. If BIOS shows and OS does not, it's drive-related. While you're here, reset the monitor OSD to factory defaults and cycle inputs. If another device displays correctly, the issue narrows to the PC or GPU. Finally, perform targeted hardware and software fixes. Power down and reset the GPU. If integrated video exists, test using the motherboard header. Swap RAM sticks and one at a time to exclude memory faults that can prevent proper boot video. Back in the OS, uninstall and reinstall display drivers using the vendor utility and reboot. If the screen stays gray, access the monitor's service or factory menu and run internal tests. But do not change service settings blindly. If unsure, contact repair with your.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.